Hey everyone, we got the Delta Pro watch. That's the box, and that's the watch. This is not the original band. I changed it to this color. So what I'm gonna do now, I will show you how to replace the bands. These are the bands you got, and that's a tool came with the watch. So when you order the kit, I'm gonna show you that. This is what you're gonna do. Do you see these? Not the top one, the bottom. These are nails. How to take them off? You pull them. Pull them enough power and it will come off. The bottom one, that's how you take the band off to replace it. So pull these nails. I need my other hand to pull it, but I will try to pull it. So there you go. Two came off. This one is hard. It will break my nail. All right, got this one out. So came off, and that's the watch. I will replace it now. So these are the three bands. I ordered the kit and it came with the lighter and came with a tool. So, but these bands came with it. So I'm going to replace. And these are the original bands with the watch. Actually, it was already with the watch, but I took it off. And these are the bands. But it came with the different nails. And I tried that nails and seems like they are like when you put them in there, so tight. It's so hard to go in there, and if you keep pushing it, it will be so hard to take it off. And then it will come apart because it will come off. If you notice, look how it's not straight, and you see how I damaged it because I pulled it off hard and it came off apart. Had to put them together again, but seems to me this is easy to use with no problem. So now choose the band you want, which is, I'll go with this. I like that. And same thing, just take whatever you want. Of course, pull that first, the long one. See, you just put the nail in there. Now I'll put the second one. Make sure it's good. Push it in there nice. Just put the other part in there, exactly the same. Just put one this side here. Do the same thing here. That's good. Looking good, really. Alright. That's what I wanted to share with you. Thank you for watching. Yeah, have a good one.